What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal how to promote affiliate products without a website. If you're someone that does not have a website, but you still want to generate affiliate commissions and earn money on a daily basis, this video is for you. Now you can see on the screen right here, okay, this was a screenshot of my Stripe account. And in one day, I was able to generate $1,025. Okay, so what I'm going to share with you as you follow me specifically through the entire video, because you don't want to miss out on one of these steps, you're going to be able to go out there and start to generate money. Now, here's what you'll learn in this video, okay? The first thing I'm going to cover is how to find a great product to promote from two different really good places, okay? Because chances are, if you're going out there, you've been trying to make affiliate commissions, it could very well just be that the product you're promoting is not high converting and it's not getting a lot of people to decide to buy. So I'm going to share with you these two different places that you can go today to find good products. And then I'm going to share three very simple strategies to get free traffic to your affiliate sales page so you can start to make those sweet daily commissions without needing your own website. Okay, so if you're excited to learn that though, and you don't want to miss out on my future videos either where I cover similar strategies, be sure to click the subscribe button below and that bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. But without further ado, I want to get right to the point and dive in right now. Okay, so the very first place to find great products to promote is ClickBank. I have a lot of videos on this. It's very simple. If you don't have an account, go to clickbank.com, click sign up right here. Okay, and then you just fill out your name, your email, your password, you create an account, you continue the terms and conditions, and then you join. Okay, now once you're inside of ClickBank, you want to go to the top tab under Marketplace. Now this lists many different categories of products you can actually promote. You can promote e-business, you can promote health and fitness. Now what I recommend you do is you stick to the three evergreen niches or categories. What that means is some of these categories are here today, gone tomorrow. But with these strategies, if you want to get free traffic for years to come, I highly recommend you choose something either in e-business, e-marketing, health and fitness, or self-help. The reason is those specific categories, people are always going to be interested in making more money, improving their health, and improving their self-help and also their relationships. Okay, so for the sake of this video, let's go to health and fitness. You want to, on ClickBank, click that category, sort results by gravity. Okay, gravity lists the top selling products at the top, and we want to promote products that are also selling well for other people so we can ensure we're going to make as many sales as possible without needing a website, as you'll see in a second. So once we find a product that we like, let's say this one, on ClickBank, you just go to promote, generate hop links, okay, and then I would save this somewhere handy. Okay, I can go to a text file, I can save that. Now we have our affiliate link, okay? Now, if you don't want to use ClickBank for whatever reason, or maybe you just want, you're already using ClickBank, you want to discover another place. Another good place is Amazon, okay? Because Amazon has a lot of different products, specifically products that you've have around your apartment or your house, okay? Amazon, any product that you can purchase from Amazon and order, you can actually also refer people to buy. A lot of people don't realize that. Now, once you're inside Amazon, okay, you can actually go to any product, and if you're actually an affiliate, okay, you can go ahead and get your affiliate link from Amazon, right? And you can literally type in anything. So for example, let's say you have a camera laying around your house. You can type that brand name in here, search it, and then once you would open up, that camera, you would be able to get your affiliate link on that page. It would be a tab drop down. And let's say for the sake of this example, you have this camera, okay, the Canon EOS Rebel T7. Now, what I highly recommend you do if you're promoting a product from Amazon is you promote a product that's expensive, okay, that's cost people, more money, anything above, 200, 300 bucks, TVs, cameras, things like that, because with Amazon, the commission that you're going to be able to make when you refer someone is very, very low. So the higher the price, the better with this method. Now, before I continue, I will include a link directly below to a free video that you can check out on my website revealing my #1 affiliate program. It actually pays you up to 100% commissions. ClickBank and Amazon, you have to give away some of the money to the vendor. But without further ado, let me go ahead and now share with you these traffic sources and these methods to generate money with affiliate marketing without a website. The first place I recommend is Instagram. Okay, Instagram is incredibly popular right now. I'm actually on a page that I found a few minutes before recording that demonstrates this method incredibly well. Now, what this strategy entails without you needing a website is you would create an Instagram account that has to do with motivating people, okay, in that specific category or niche. So for example, if you're promoting a product that has to do with weight loss, you could actually create a weight loss motivation page very similar to this one. Okay, if you were in make money, or entrepreneur motivation. If you're in, relationship, you can do relationship goals or relationship motivation. Okay, it's basically inspiring people around that specific category or topic. Now, when you do that, it's very important that you have a good profile picture. Okay, you can, just create this yourself. You can go to a site like Fiverr.com. You can pay someone $5 to have a logo created. Very, very simple. But once you do that, you also want to make sure you title the name of your account, your username, something related. Okay, weight loss motivation, weight loss tips, making money inspired. Okay, something like that. You want to make sure the bio is very specific. Okay, so the bio has something related to it. Okay, so this says, weight loss, motivation, inspiration. You could say, how to improve your relationships and find your dream guy. Okay, if you're helping women, whatever you're doing, whatever the product that you're promoting has to do with, we want to put that in the bio. So when someone hits this page, they're going to be able to follow us because they understand what it's about. And then we want to give a call to action. Okay, the next line in your bio, and we can go back to whatever product we're promoting. I can actually go to that page and I can look over a little bit about what this has to do with. So it says, okay, ancient Japanese tonic melts 54 pounds of fat. So I could literally copy that. Okay, I could go back to Instagram. I could put that in, discover the ancient tonic that melts 45 pounds of fat below. And then all we want to do is put in our affiliate link. Now you can go to bit.ly, okay, and you can actually shorten your affiliate link, and then you can create an attractive link like this one right here, okay? And that's what this person did. And then you can just put it in your bio like that, okay? So now when someone clicks on that, and I can do that right there, it's gonna take you to the affiliate offer that you're actually promoting, okay? So this person's link is actually not working, which is not great, but that would take us to our affiliate link, okay? Now, what do we actually post on our Instagram? Because this is where the method really starts to take hold. What we wanna do is, because it's a motivation page, we wanna post motivational quotes and memes that have to do with that niche. So how do we find that, right? Well, we can just go to Google, okay? You can go to Google Images and you can type in the niche followed by the word quotes, weight loss quotes, make money online quotes, okay? And you can see all these different quotes that have to do with losing weight. And I can literally just save these to my smartphone, save this to my desktop computer, and I can post these, okay? And I can start to post it, and this is gonna start to get views and likes, okay? People are gonna start to see our profile. Now, you wanna post, okay, at least once a day, because with Instagram's algorithm, you're really gonna take off by posting consistently once a day or more, okay? The more you can post, the better. And we want to actually make sure we want to use hashtags. They didn't really do that here because they already have quite a bit of likes. Now, you can find good hashtags by going to the top, type in the hashtag and do weight loss, okay, or whatever your niche is, and you can start to see these are popular hashtags. So we can take these hashtags and we can put it in the caption of our picture, and we will start to get people to see our post, okay? And now every once in a while, okay, we want to put in a call to action in our caption. You can see they did it here, okay? So they say, looking to lose a few pounds, link in bio. So we can do that. Hey, looking to make some money? Click the link in my bio to get a free video. Or, whatever it is you're promoting, whatever that sales page is, we want to give a call to action for someone to go to our bio and actually click it and check it out. And that's how you're able to start getting traffic. Now, again, you can do weight loss memes. Okay, these are funny pictures that people resonate with. You can post those too, and you're going to start to get traction. And by telling people to click the link, you're going to start to get traffic for free without even needing a website. Okay, very powerful. Now, the second way is, let's say you were to go to Amazon and you found a product that maybe you have laying around your house. Okay, like this. Maybe you have this camera, the Canon EOS Rebel T7. Okay, maybe this is something around your house. With this method, what you can do is you can go to YouTube okay? And you can post a simple review about that product, okay? Now you can see this person did that very thing. It's a 10-minute video, okay? Anything from about 5 to 10 minutes. And all you have to do is, even with just your smartphone, record yourself giving your honest opinion on that product, okay? You can share the pros, the cons, what you like about it. And then at the end of this video, again, we want to give a call to action. We want to say, hey, I highly recommend this product. It's very, very good quality. If you want to get access to it, be sure to click the link below. Okay, and you can see that this person included their Amazon affiliate link. So just doing this method, this person got 220,000 views, okay? And they're still getting views. You can see 18 views an hour. So this person did this over, about a year ago, and they're still getting, around 20 views an hour of people that potentially could go here, okay? It gets taken to here, and then when they buy, okay, that person, this guy right here, is going to get a commission, okay? Very, very powerful. Because this camera is a little bit pricey, he's going to make a bigger commission, okay? So this method is incredibly powerful because you don't need a website. You can just create a video, okay, and just put your affiliate link in the description, and you can start to make affiliate commissions. And last but not least, my other method without a website is Facebook, okay, Facebook. Now with Facebook, you can literally just use your free Facebook profile to start to get traffic and sales. What you want to do is you want to create a good cover photo, okay? You can either just go to, Google, let's say, you're in the weight loss niche. Again, I can do weight loss Facebook cover. And basically, right here, boom, this could be a good cover photo. I could download this and put it on my Facebook profile. And then we want to have a profile picture. Now, ideally on your Facebook profile, it'd be a picture of you. Okay, so just a good, smiling photo of you that looks, inviting, that looks like a happy person. And then again, in our bio, okay, of Facebook, we want to do something very similar to Instagram, a call to action, something like that. So I go, hey, traveler, marketer, I say a little bit about myself, and then I say make commissions while sleeping, which is what the affiliate product I'm promoting teaches people how to do. And then I have my affiliate link, okay? You can literally just put your affiliate link in your bio of Facebook, and when people click this, they get taken to my affiliate product that I'm promoting, okay? Now, what we want to do is we want to post on our profile very similar to Instagram, okay? You could actually do Instagram and Facebook at the same time, because what pictures you're going to post here, you can also post just on your Facebook profile. You can also post it on your Facebook story. Okay, you can do the same with Instagram. You can post these things to your Instagram story as well. And then what happens is, because it's a quote and things people like, you're going to start to get good engagement. Okay, and people are going to start to see your posts. And then every once in a while in your posts, you want to tell people, hey, if you want to discover how to lose weight fast, click the link in my bio. If you want to discover how to make money online, click the link in my bio, okay? You're always directing people to the link in your bio. Now, if you're just getting started on Facebook and you don't have a lot of friends, you want to add targeted people as friends, because when you add people, they're going to add you back, and you're going to have targeted people that want to lose weight or improve their relationships, start to see your posts and start to buy from you. So how do we find targeted people? You can just go to the top of Facebook, type in a few words that have to do with your product. Okay, weight loss. I can go to the groups tab, okay? And I can join some of these that have a lot of members. And then once I'm a member, I can go in there, go to members, and now I can just go down here, look for members with things in common, and I can start adding these people. Okay, now you don't want to add too many people per day, anywhere from about 20 to 30 people. And a portion of these people will add you back. Okay, they'll see your cover photo. They'll realize, oh, this guy or this girl is interested in losing weight too. And then they'll start to see your posts, and you'll start to get people going to your affiliate sales page without even needing your own website. So I really hope you enjoyed learning how to promote affiliate products. You don't need a website starting off. If you like this video, you want me to make more, be sure to click the like button below. Also, be sure to subscribe with the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step training. And last but not least, like I said, I highly recommend you find other affiliate products to promote that pay you more. And eventually you do create your own website, okay? Because you want to be capturing emails, but you don't have to create your own website. At the link below, that free video reveals my #1 recommended affiliate system that gives you high-paying products to promote, as well as a done-for-you website that you can get access to start to send people, and you can start to make commissions. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.